Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to allow screen overlays on Samsung Galaxy A02 settings. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Samsung Galaxy A02, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and find the developer options. And the developer options is not show or turn off. To show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is go to about phone. Here in about phone, go to software information. Okay, tap this. In software information, you can see here the build number. And okay guys, to show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is tap the build number 7 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the developer mode has been turned on. Okay guys, go back and go back again. And now here in settings, you can see here the developer options. Okay, you can see below. So you'll have to do is go to developer options. And developer options, scroll down and go to debugging section. Here in debugging section, you can see here the allow screen overlay on settings. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to allow the screen overlay on settings, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. Okay, we have successfully allowed screen overlay on settings. And okay guys, to disallow again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully allowed or disallowed screen overlays on settings in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.